Good morning students, how are you all? I hope you're all doing very well. Today I have another very interesting but a little bit complicated topic for you. But we are going to make it very easy for you. In the previous lesson, we learned about the basics of algebraic expressions. Today we are going to continue the same topic. In the previous lesson, we learned about exponents, variables and coefficients. You can revise them all by watching the video, and if you subscribe to our channel, you can watch more videos about it. We learned that an algebraic expression is made up of variables and constants along with algebraic operations, which are addition and subtraction. Algebraic terms consists of one or more terms which are connected with operators. Let's learn more. A constant is a symbol with a fixed numerical value. Example 2, 35 और 100. यानी constants वो numbers होते हैं जिनके साथ variable नहीं होता. They are just a number. Okay? And the examples were 2, 35 or 100. What are algebraic terms? An algebraic term is either a numeral, a variable, or a product of a numeral with one or more variables. यानी algebraic term एक number हो सकता है, एक variable हो सकता है और इनका product यानी आपस में multiply भी हो सकते हैं या फिर एक constant के साथ ज़्यादा variables भी हो सकते हैं. The examples are 5, 2x और xy और 3xy. आपने देखा कि इसमें एक न्यूमरल भी आया यानी 5, एक वेरिएबल भी आया या फिर एक वेरिएबल्स के प्रोडक्ट्स जैसे x and y और फिर ऑल टुगेदर इनका प्रोडक्ट भी आया ऑफ न्यूमरल विद one or more variables which was 3xy. Now is it clear? So constants and variables with operators which are plus, minus make an algebraic expression. So we can say that an algebraic expression consists of an algebraic term or multiple terms connected with operators. यानी जब एक एक्सप्रेशन होता है algebraic expression, उसमें एक टर्म भी हो सकती है और मल्टीपल algebraic टर्म्स भी हो सकती हैं जो कि प्लस एंड माइनस से कनेक्टेड होती हैं. लेट्स सी एग्जांपल्स. 3x plus 4y minus 7. This is an algebraic expression. इसमें टर्म कौन कौन सी है? 3x, 4y and 7 और ऑपरेटर्स कौन से हैं? प्लस एंड माइनस. मैं आपको एक और एग्जांपल देती हूँ. 4x minus 10. This is an algebraic expression with two terms. Now let's learn about polynomials. It is an algebraic expression consisting of one or more terms. जो हमने अभी पहले पढ़ा था, that was also a polynomial. In polynomials, the exponent of the variable is 0 or a positive integer. Do you remember what exponents are? Yes, the power of, for example, x square or x to the power of 2. इसमें exponent क्या है? 2. Yes. किसी variable की power नहीं भी हो सकती है और हो भी सकती है. Now polynomials are of three types: monomial, binomial and trinomial. What are they? A monomial has a single algebraic term. उसमें सिर्फ एक term होती है. You will understand better with these examples. 2 or 3x or x square y or 2xy. These are all separate but single algebraic terms which are monomials. Now what are binomials? Binomials have two algebraic terms connected by a operator. Example, 3xy minus 5x square. क्या आपने देखा? इसमें दो टर्म्स हैं. Which are the terms? 3xy, that is one term, and the other term is 5x square joined together with the operator minus. Yes. Let's see another example of binomial. 2x plus 3y. Wasn't it easy? Now let's learn about trinomial. जैसे कि नाम से आपको वाज़ेह है, tri means 3. So trinomials have 3 terms. The examples are x plus y plus z. This is a trinomial because it has 3 different terms and each term consists of one variable. X is one variable, but it's also a term by itself. X is one term, y is another term, and z is another term. They're all connected with the operator plus. The other example is 2x square minus 3y plus 5. This is a trinomial because there are 3 terms joined together with minus and plus. Wasn't it easy? We learned about what algebraic expressions are, and we learned that they are made up of variables, constants and algebraic terms. The algebraic terms are joined together with subtraction and minus. We also learned what are constants. We also learned what are polynomials and its types. To learn more about it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.